Take out all the accessories. Remove the 2 rubber plugs on the shelf. Cut the cable tie that secures the tail light wire. Cut the cable ties securing the radar terminals. Take out the radar terminal. Disconnect the taillight terminal. Use a 3mm hex wrench to remove the 2 screws that fix the taillight. Remove the taillight. Thread the radar wire through the hole in the middle of the taillight. Align the raised part with the groove to install the radar. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Thread the 2 wire harnesses through the holes on the right side of the shelf. Tighten the 2 screws that secure the taillight. Thread the 2 wire harnesses out of the shelf. Install the upper rubber plug with the opening facing upwards. Install the lower rubber plug with the opening facing downwards. Align the raised part of the terminal with the notch for connection. Remove the waterproof cap from the radar terminal. Align the raised part of the terminal with the notch for connection. Use cable ties to secure the 2 wiring harnesses to the shelf. Adjust the wiring harness to an appropriate length. Press and hold the power button to turn the e-bike off. Use the key to open the battery cover and then remove the battery. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 4 screws from the rear light housing. Insert the radar wiring harness into the groove. Align the raised part with the groove to install the radar. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Press the taillight against the slot on the lower housing. Reinstall and tighten the 4 screws on the rear light. Clip the radar wire into the slot. Thread the taillight wire through the inside of the cargo rack. Remove the rubber plug from the frame and locate the reserved radar connector. Remove the waterproof cap from the radar terminal. Insert the terminal through the flat side of the rubber plug. Align the arrows on both connectors and connect them. Tuck the excess cable back into the frame. Reinstall the rubber plug. Open the app. Confirm that Bluetooth is connected. The app version should not be lower than v6.10.0. Turn on the e-bike. A pop-up window appears on the instrument panel after it detects the radar. Complete the radar settings according to the pop-up prompts in the app. You can change the radar settings in the smart peripheries.